jailed and locked away for having the evidence to show it. Forever. Locked away forever. I know. Some people will be like, well, that's where the control arm belongs, Will, in the garbage. Straight into the dumpster with it. Alright, let's try this one more time. Yeah? Yeah. It's not quite going to fit. Let's try going a little bit lower. Yeah. This guy's lined up just right. Yeah, this is where we have issues. Getting this guy in shape. Lined. Now to make sure this will pop this guy out. On the one side, looks like it is aligned with everything. On this side, I think that's it. I think it just got to where it needs to be. So, persuader out of there. Set this upright like so. And do some good old suggestion. The power of forceful suggestion. What do you think that is? 21? I think that's a 21, right? Instructions don't say what size it is. 22. It says 22. Okay. Doesn't say. I was about to say it doesn't say it right off the bat where it would be. The size that we need. Of course, no, I didn't quite, trust it that that's what it would be. Now, at this point, you take this guy, put it on the ground and get some leverage. Seem like it wants to go, and I think we're bending the frame, so let's try it the other way. So maybe it's a one-way road here, huh? Quite possibly. Now I'm looking at it closely, it probably is a one-way road. Or we could have just eaten into some of this already as it is. So now we're going to try and push that direction. Oh no, actually, I think oh, for a second I thought I might split it or something. I see it is actually two pieces welded together. Alright, what comes to mind is to try to get some of that good old PB blaster in here to help penetrate some of this, because goodness knows, maybe it's just a lot of, oh yeah, look at that. Do it for the other guy too now. See that? That just pulls up almost instantly. Flip these guys over, and a lot more stayed in the one that I didn't touch. And this bottom isn't even wet now. I mean, if these are roughly the same thing, like, I should have no problem getting them on from either direction. Oh well. You know what did just dawn on me? One of them has marks where the rubber is aligned and the other one doesn't, so maybe I should go ahead and put that on here. Before I pop these fuckers out. Okay, so one side, other side. And that should definitely match up with this, roughly. I mean, what else is there? Either way. Alright, so I've marked off, had time to do some lubrication even, so let's see. Ooh. Okay, no. For a second there, I thought that I might have bent this out of place, but I realized it's the same thing on the other one as well. So, not a problem. There's like this little ridge there, but whatevs. We should be good. Right. So which way? Push on this side. This way. Yes, so I still want to push this side